Hello students, this is the 28th part of number theory. So today I am going to explain miscellaneous problems. This is our first problem. For what values of k and m is 19 power k minus 3 power k into 18 power m minus 11m is divisible by 112. Okay. So 19 power k minus 3 power k into 18 power m minus 11 power m. First of all, it should be a multiple of 112 such a way that we want to find m and k values. 112 prime factors 2 into 5, 10, 56, 2 and 56, 2 into 2 to the 4, 28, 4 and 28, if addition of this 29, subtraction of this, what you will get 7. So addition of this, what happened, 21 you will get. Okay, 7, 4 are 28. What is the meaning of that? 7 2 are 14, 19 minus 3, 16. Okay, 4 2 are 8, 8 are 16. Okay, so what happened? I can write this 16 into 7, 7 as it is, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 for 16. So I can write this as 16 into 7, obviously. So 19 power k minus 3 power k into 8 power m minus 11 power m. So if k is any natural number, yeah, this is divisible by 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3 means what is 16. So k is any natural number. But I want 7 from here, 18 minus 11. So m also any natural number divisible by, already you know that a power n minus b power n divisible by a minus b for every n belongs to natural number. What means that for all values of k and m, all values of k and m, all natural numbers k and m, it happens. That I will write. Therefore, k comma m belongs to n, then 19 power k minus 3 power k into 18 power m minus 11 power m is a multiple of 112. Obviously. So if k is any natural number, this is divisible by 19 minus 3, 16. M is any natural number divisible by 18 minus 11, that is 7. So that's what I can say, k and m are any two natural numbers. Our next question. 71 power 3 plus 22 cube is divisible by option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4 are given. Actually, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. We know that a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. What is the meaning of that? A cube plus b cube divisible by a plus b as well as a square minus ab plus b square. So all answers are in the type of a square minus ab plus b square only. Then what I can say that 71 cube plus 22 cube is equal to 71 plus 22 into what I can write, 71 square minus 71 into 22 plus 22 square. What is the meaning of that? This is divisible by either with 71 plus 72 or 71 square minus 71 into 72, 22 plus 22 square. Try to identify where is that. 71 square minus, okay, this option 2 is correct. Okay. Yeah, a number when divided by 14 leaves a remainder 8. A number, you don't know what that number, divided by 14 leaves 8 as a remainder. Let me the Q is the question. But when the same number divided by 7, what will be the remainder? Interesting question, Anna. So let us assume that x is the required number, x is divided by 14, let Q the quotient, 8 in the remainder. By the division algorithm, I can write x equal 14Q plus 8. What is the question saying? That same x divided by 7, what is the remainder? Let it be r is the remainder, Q2 is the question. So our x should have the form 7Q2 plus r. So this r value should be less than 7. Such a way that you want to write x. 7 into something plus some number which is less than 7. Okay, that's why I can write this is 7 2q I can write, plus 7 plus 1 I can write. So I can take 7 common from this, totally 2q plus 1 plus 1. So this is in the form of 7 into some bigger q plus 1. So the meaning of that, x is divided by 7 leaves 1 as a remainder. Therefore the requirement is 1. Is 1. Okay. Next question. The number of numbers lying between 1 and 200, lying between, not equal to 1, not equal to, which are divisible by either 2 or 3 or 5. Interesting question, an important model. For example, write all the numbers below 10 which are divisible by 2 or 3, for example, 2 or 3. Most of the students, what will they write? First of all, number of numbers which are divisible by 2, they will write 2, 4, 6, 8. Below means you can't include 10. And which are divisible by 3, 3, 6, 9. What they will say answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So what they will say, there are 7 numbers which are less than 7, which are divisible by 2 or 3, 2 or 3. But what they made a mistake. What is the mistake? 6 is counted 2 times. 6 is counted 2 times. So what is the actual answer? 6 only. 7 minus 1. Actual answer 7 minus 1. How many numbers are there? You can say 6. Once again, reserve students. Find the number of natural numbers less than 10 which are divisible by either 2 or 3. 2 or 3. 2 or 3. Most of the students, what will they? First of all, they will find the number of numbers which are divisible by 2. Number of numbers which are divisible by 3. After they will count all these 2. They add all these numbers. But what is the mistake, Nana? They will count it 6 2 times. Okay. Okay. So what happened? We need to subtract those 2, 6. Means 7 minus 1, 6 is the correct answer. For example, again I will say the question, Nana. Find the number of numbers which are divisible by either 2 or 3 or 5 below 20. That is the question. So first of all, multiple of 2s I will write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Multiple of 2s. Then I will write multiple of 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. After that I will write multiple of 5. 5, yeah, 10, 15. That's all. So actually what they will say answer. So number multiple of 2s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiple of 3s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 3. What I can say 15, 18. Their answer is 18. That's the wrong answer. Why? Because 6 counted 2 times. Okay. Like that, what the number 12 counted 2 times. Okay. Any more? Yeah, 6 multiple 6, 12 and 18 counted 2 times. Okay, next 10 counted 2 times. See here, 10 counted 2 times. So that's why what they got answer wrong. But how to find out, I will show you. Okay. N of A equal to multiples of 2's. From 1 to 200. 1 to 200. 2, 4, so on, so on, so on, up to 1998. Sir, 198 only. How many are there? I can say 99. Next, I can take N of B equal to multiple of 3's. How many? 3, 6, 9, so on. What is the last one? 90. So I will take 200 only. 200 by 3, what is the remainder? 80, 19, 20, 2 6 are 80, 66 3s are 18, 19, 198. Okay. How many are there? Just divide with 3, no? 3 6 are 18, 19, 18, 19. They are 66 in number. Number of C means multiple of 5s. 5, 10, 15, so on, 195. So 5 divided, 5 3s are 15, 4 remainder, 39, they are 39 in number. Most of the students will make mistake, they will add all this, but multiple of 2 and multiple of 6 are counted 2 times, multiple of 15s are counted 2 times, multiple of 10s are counted 2 times. So that I will remove. So next, n of A intersection B. Multiple of 2s and multiple of 2 and 3 I will write. Means multiple of 6 indirectly. How many I will write? Multiple of B intersection C. That is equal multiple of 3 and 5. 15. Sorry, 3 and 5 should write here. That is actually 15. Multiple of 15s you write. Should write. Next, multiple of A intersection C. A intersection multiple of 2 and 5. That is 10. After that, I want to find multiples of A intersection, B intersection, C. All multiples. Multiple of 2 and 3 and 5. That is equal to multiple of 10, 30. Should find all these. I will find. Here only I will find. Wait. Okay. So what happened? Multiple of 6 I want. 6. 12, so on, so on, so on. 200 divided by 6. 2 3s are 200 are 100 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 33. 33. 33 6 are 18. 198. 198. How many are there means? Should be divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 18. 6 3s are means 33. They are 33 in number. Multiple of 15s I want next. Multiple of 15s. 15 comma 30 comma like that, so on, so on, so on. 200 by 15. 5 3s are 5 40s are 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 13. 13 15s are what? 5 3s are 15. 5 are 65. 13. 5 90, 195 up to 195. How many are there? 13 I can say in number. Okay, multiple of 10s I want. 10s, 10, 20, so on, so on, so on. 190 only. You can't take 200. How many? They are 19 in number. Next, multiple 30s I want. 30, 60, 90, 90 after 30 should add no 120, 150, 180. That's all. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are in number 6. Cross check now. 30, 32s are, 33s are, 34s are, 35s are, 36s are, 37s are, 210. Okay. Now I will write answer. Here only. I will next page. The number of required numbers. The number of required numbers equal to n of A union B union C. We have the formula already. You know the formula. N of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of C intersection A plus n of intersection B intersection C. What is that? I will write Nana here. What I first 99, 66, 39 minus 33, 13, 19, sorry, minus 19, plus 6 should add 99, 66 and 39. 6 should add 9 plus 6 15, 21, 30, 6 12, 12 plus 9 21, 210 minus 33, 40, 36, 46, 46 added with 19, 5, 4, 5, 65 should subtract. 210 minus 65, here 5, here 0, 4, here 1, 145. What I can say, in number 145, the number of number below 200 which are divisible either to R5, either to R3, R5, either, that is important, and either. 2 end 3 means that is different. 2 end 3 means you need to find only multiple of 6. End means 2R means we want to find multiple of 2's, multiple of 3's. From we need to add, from that we need to subtract which are multiple of 6, because 2 times we added that multiple of 6. There 3 numbers are given, that's why problem is difficult for us. So what I can say, my answer is 145. Okay, next question. What is the remainder when this number is divided by 21? Easy problem. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial so on plus 2006 factorial is divided by 21. What is the remainder? Okay, interesting thing, Nana. Actually 21 means 7 3s are. 7 factorial onwards 7 will appear. Na? 1 factorial means 1 only. 2 factorial means 2 only. 3 factorial means 6. 4 factorial means 24. 5 factorial means 120. 6 factorial means 720. 7 factorial onwards will get a 7. So in this number is not divided by 7. This number is not divided by 7. Okay, what I can say directly, logically you need to find the answer. Logically you need to find the answer. I will write clearly. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 6 factorial plus 7 factorial onwards 7 will appear. So on plus 2006 factorial. Indirectly what I am saying, this is a multiple of 7 directly, because 7 into 6 factorial, this one. 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, like that. All will have 7s. Already if 7s are there, 3 will be, no? 7 into 3, 21. Means what I can say, all these are multiple of 21 only. That I will write. 1 plus, 2 plus, 6 plus, 24 plus, 120 plus, 720 plus a multiple of 21 I can write. Students, interesting thing, Nana. 21 means it should be divided by 7 and 3. All the numbers from 7 factorial onwards, each number is divisible by 21, Nana. Obviously, summation is divisible by 21. So it is better to find what is the remainder when this summation is divided by 21. That's all. That's why I will add, Nana, 720, 120. Yeah, this is to 30, 33. Now I will cross check. 720, 120, 24 plus 30, 33. Now 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 873. 873 plus multiple of 20. Just now you want to find remainder when 873 divided by 21. 873 divided by 21. 21 4s are how much? 4 1s are 4, 84. 4s are 84. 3 remainder, 33. 33 1s are only, 41s are 1s are 21. 33 minus 21, how much? 2. 12. What I am getting? 12. 12. What I can say, this is, yeah, 41 into 21 plus 12 I can write. Plus a multiple of 21. So what I can say here, please cross check my calculation. Sometimes I will make mistakes. Totally multiple of 21, multiple of total multiple of 21 plus 12. So what I can say, my requirement is 12. So I go with the option 3. Please cross check calculations. Next question. A congruent to B modulo M. C congruent to D modulo M. Then one of the properties saying that AC congruent to BD modulo M. That only the problem here. See, A congruent to B modulo M, C congruent to D modulo M. Then AC congruent what model m? Q means what? 2 into, what is that? 2 into 3 only, 6. So 18 into 51 congruent to 2 into 3 modulo 8. 2 into 3 means 6. My answer is fourth option. Yeah, another question on 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus factorial congruent to p modulo 10. What is the meaning? What is the remainder when the summation is divided by 10? Okay, just easy problem. So we need to add that 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24. 33 congruent to 3 modulo 10 only, obviously. No? That's what I can say. P is equal to 3. Next question. Interesting problem, super problem. Okay, what he is asking over there. Find the remainder when 75 power 75% divided by 37. What do you want? I will write 75 power 75 into 75 into so on 75 congruent to x modulo 37. Such x you want to find. Okay, students. Now what I can say, I can use Euler theorem, or generally you can find, because 37 2s are 74 only, no? So direct what I can say, 75 congruent to 1 modulo 37 without using Euler's or Fermi little theorem. So now raising power only. Now I want to raise the power 75 into so on 75 is congruent to 1 power 75 into 75 modulo 37. What is the meaning of that? 75 power 75 congruent to 1 modulo 37. Means that 1 is the remainder when this number is divided by 37. I can say that 1 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Next interesting question. Last two digits are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 41 is same as the remainder when 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 41 is divided by 100. Okay. What means that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 41 congruent to x modulo 100. What is x? That is the required last two digits of the number. Okay. Observe 100 and this are co-primes only. This is odd number, this is even number. Obviously they are co-primes. 7, 8, 9, comma 100 are co-primes. Now I want to use Euler theorem. What is that Euler theorem? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power pi of 100 is congruent to 1 modulo 100. Pi of 100 what? No, 40 only. So what I can say? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 40 congruent to 1 modulo 100. But what you want? You want 41. So what I can say? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 congruent to 89 modulo 100, obviously. What is the meaning of that? If this number divided by, total number divided by 100, 89 will remainder. I want to mix these two by using A is congruent to B modulo M and C congruent to D modulo M, then AC congruent to BD modulo M only. What I can say? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 40 into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 1 congruent to 1 into 89 modulo 100. So finally, what I can write here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 41 is congruent to 89 modulo 100. Means last two digits of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 power 41 are 8 and 9. Super question, super, excellent. 8 and 9. What I can say, my answer is first option. Okay. Next question. The number of integers from 1 to 2001 that are relatively prime to 2002. The number of integers that from 1 to 2001 that are relatively prime to 2000. Relative co-primes. Indirectly, what is asking, what is pi of 202? Interesting question. Already explained what is pi of n. Yield a twoshant function. Number of natural numbers lesser than n and co-prime to n. Okay. So how to find? We have the formula. First of all, you need to factorize it. You need to make prime factors. 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 into it divides 11. 11, 19, 9s are 1s are. 2 into 11 into this is 17. 17 3s are 13 7s are. 7 3s are 21. 91. I can say 7 into 13. 7 into 13. Okay. So what I can write here? 2 into 7 into 11 into 13. Okay. So now I want to use Euler's twoshant function definition, that is equal 2 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 1 minus first prime 2, 1 minus second prime 7. I will erase that now. No use of this. Into 1 minus 1 by 11 into 1 minus 1 by 30. So what I can say, 2 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 1 by 2 into 6 by 7 into 10 by 11 into 12 by 13. 13, 11, these all get cancelled. 6 into 10 into 12. Okay, 126 are 720. I can say that there are 720 such numbers. Now I can go with option 2. Next question, students. The remainder when this number is divided by 9. This is easy question only. Let x be the remainder. Remainder. Okay. So what should find Anna? 4, 3, 3, 3 power 3 congruent to x modulo 9. Okay. So here, yeah, 3, 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Actually, directly we want to find the relation between 4, 3, 3, 3 and 9. Yeah. First of all, 4, 3, 3, 3 divided by 9. What is the remainder? 9, 6 are 9, 5s are 45, 9, 5, 9 4s are 36. 36 means 4, 7, 73. 9 8s are 72. 72 means 1 remainder. So 9 1s are 9. Means how much? 4 remainder. What I can say? 4, 3, 3, 3 congruent to 4 modulo 9. Cross check, cross check. 4 are 9 for 36. 4, 3, 7. 73 means 8s are 1. 13. 9 1s are 9. 4. Okay. So 4, 3, 3, 3 power 3 is congruent to 4 power 3 modulo 9. Or 4, 3, 3, 3 power 3 congruent to 4 power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. 16 4s are 64. 64 actually, but we can't say that is the remainder when that number is divided by 9 because that number is greater than 9. 64 divided by 9, 9 7s are 63, 1 remainder, or I can say that 64 congruent to 1 modulo 9. So combinedly these two, I will write here, A congruent to B modulo M and C congruent to D modulo M, AD congruent to BD modulo M. That's why 4, 3, 3, 3 power 3 congruent to 1 modulo 9. Means 1 is the remainder. Yeah. Next important question, Nana. Find a four-digit number has the following properties. It is a perfect square, first property. The first digits are equal. Last two digits are equal. Find such all numbers. So I will write. Let the required number be x, x, y, y. Obviously, no? Okay. So what happened? The last two digits are equal. First two digits are equal. So B and C condition satisfied by this number. Now I want to use condition here. It is a perfect square. First of all, it is a multiple of 11. Observe now. It is a multiple of 11. Observe now. X plus y, x plus y. What is the meaning of that? X, x, y, y is a multiple of 11. Indirectly, what is asking? Find the four-digit multiple of 11, which is perfect square. That's the answer. What is our answer? X, x, y, y. Maybe I can write 11 square or 22 square or 33 square or 44 square and so on. Okay, but 11 square means 121. This won't be the number. 22 square I will take. 22 square. 22 are 4, 4, 4, 4. 484. This won't be. Perfect square. Okay. Divisible. Okay, correct only. So 33 square I will take. 33 means 9, 9. This won't be. 33 square also won't. 44. Next option is with us 44. 4 for the 16, 17, 1, 7, 6, 3, 7, 8, 9, 1936. No, somewhere I made a mistake. Okay. Next we need to check for 44. Students listen. 44 square. 44 are 16, 176, 6, 3, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is a multiple of 11 only. It is a perfect square only, but not this is in the form of x, x, y, y form. That's why. So 1936. This is also not a required number. So next I will take 55 square man. 55 is a 5 is a 25. 25, 27, 275, 52, 0. This is also won't satisfy because this is not in the form of XXYY form. Yeah, 66 I will take next one. 36, 39, 396, 6, 5, 3, 4. 66 square also won't satisfying. 77 I will check. Up to 10 only, because up to 100 square only you can check. After 100 square onwards you get the 5-digit numbers only, but you want only 4-digit number. Okay, 77 are 49, 50, 51, 50, 53, 5, 3, 9, 9, 2, 9, 5, 9. This is also not satisfying. 77 square also not satisfying. Yeah, I will check for 88 and 99. So 88, so it is the 64 plus 6, 70, 704, 4477. This is one of the required numbers. Observe XXYY form, no? That is 7784. So this is one of the required number. Next, I will take 88, 99 square, 99 is 81, 89, 89110, 899810. This won't satisfy. If 99 won't satisfy, automatically 100 square won't satisfy. It becomes 5-digit number. So only one required number is 7788. I think what I got, I will show. What is that number? 88 7744. Okay, that is 7744. Okay, that is the required number. So at last I can write the required number is is 88 square. That is just now again I want to cross check them. 64, 70, 704. Okay, 7744.